What's up guys, Retrocengo here, short video. My love Amiga 4000 all got refurbished, fixed, recapped, cleaned up, tested, checked. Just, it works amazing, okay. It's coming up for sale. Why? 10 minutes ago I got offered same Amiga 4000 motherboard again, but this one is the revision B or 2, I don't remember what this is called. But I got offered a revision DCR, the cost reduced revision of the Amiga 4000 motherboard. I love the cost reduced one because instead of having a 030, 040, 060 board, the cost reduced one has got onboard 68030 CPU, mini CPU on board on the motherboard. I love that. I just love that. So this one, buy it from me so I can buy the other board. That's my only reason. I don't have another board just laying around. So this one recap few weeks ago. Go in and check out the videos. It works. I mean, picture quality 10 out of 10. No trouble, no bubble. And audio quality is just rock solid. Battery has been removed. The area is cleaned. All the RAM clips are fine. None of them are broken off. Recapped. What more? Yeah. So I want to sell fully working, recapped, really nice looking Amiga 4000 motherboard plus the daughterboard. I want to sell those two because I just got the opportunity to buy the DCR with its own, the one it came with. This one works all fine. 1 week ago I put in a scan Doppler, I put in cyber vision, just it worked awesome, no trouble, nothing at all. So yeah, this is coming up for sale. If you're interested, you can buy my Cyber Vision 64 with the motherboard. If you're interested, you can buy the scan Doppler with the motherboard. I have got an audio card, you can buy that with the motherboard. If you're interested, you can buy the Cyber Storm MK1 with all 40 megahertz with this motherboard purchase. If you're interested, just let me know. I will post this video on YouTube. You can write to me, whatever you were interested in. I don't want to trade with nothing because I have another one locked, ready to go. Hey, does it say revision here? Yeah, revision B, guys. It's a revision B board, okay? So, yeah, I will... Oh, what's going on, man? Focus, what's going on? Something's wrong with my camera. Clean the head here. Focus. There we go. No, okay, I have to quit the video. I will post this on different Facebook groups and yeah, write to me. Something's off, something's wrong with my camera. It's dying. Have a great day out there, guys. Retrocengo out. And the board, you can see it just works. I have 3 or 4 videos with it. It's just something's just all. Oh no. There we go! Finally it works. So it's only the motherboard and the daughterboard. Okay, the case I'm gonna keep. Okay, so only those 2 parts. Write to me. Have a great evening. Bye. And I mean, the picture quality is, it's just RGB out. 2 SCART stick on my old TV. And you can see no blurring, no vertical lines. I hate those lines. It's all clean, nothing is there, just beautiful. Okay.